So Cara, so I think my parrot, I mean Poppy, Poppy wants to go and see you. So what do you think of Poppy then?
I think she's pretty cool.
She's really bonding with you, isn't she?
Obviously, we're getting on okay, which is what I was hoping, that we might get on all right.
Yes. But no, she's a
Do you
real
want to sit back
character.
with you? Want to
Real,
see your
come
face?
back, come back to me. Come back to me. Like, up you go. Up you go. No, I like Cara better. I like Cara better.
That's a better view.
Oh, but doing well. I can't believe that only a couple of days and she's that comfortable with you and me and doing well. And Casey, he loves Casey. Hello. Well, I think I got myself a parrot sitter. Hey, come here, come here. Come here. Come here. I'll go in ahead, Chris. I'll go in ahead. Those claws are quite sharp, aren't they?
They're all right for now.
Free head massage. Come here, come here. Come here, so. You look wonderful there. So as you can see
I think we get on all right, though, don't you?
I think Poppy is going to be, or Poppy Coconut is going to be part of our team here. Going to be a real character.
Oh my gosh, character and a half.
Yeah. So anyway, whatever you're doing today, I hope you're having a wonderful day.
Yeah, good head massage.
Yeah.
Free if you come here, and Poppy actually likes you.
Yeah.
I'm not quite sure about that.
We love you. We love you more. You got anything to say? Not really. Let's be a first.